Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Bisoy and my coordinator name is Jagruti Golle. We are studying in final year B Pharmacy from Shivaji Rao S. Zondle College of Pharmacy. We had prepared this presentation on the topic regarding anti-Parkinson drugs under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Mohire sir, professor and principal of our college. Now, what is Parkinsonism? Parkinsonism, it is an extrapyramidal motor disorder characterized by four cardiac features: muscular rigidity, bradykinesia, slowness and poverty of movements, and impairment of postural balance leading to disturbance of gait and to falling, resting tremor which usually abates during voluntary movements. Signs and symptoms of Parkinson disease include stoop posture, rigidity, flexed elbows and wrist, forward tilt of trunk, reduced arm swinging, slightly flexed hips and knees, etc. Pathophysiology, antipsychotic drugs, encephalitis and other causes affects the substantia nigra, destruction of dopamine producing neurons within the basal ganglia, reduce the amount of available striatal dopamine. There is increase in acetylcholine. Excitatory activity of acetylcholine is inadequately balanced, difficulty in controlling and initiating voluntary movement. In this diagram, as we can see, the major cause of Parkinson disorder is due to the decrease in the level of dopamine and increase in the level of acetylcholine. Therefore, we use dopaminergic agonists and anticholinergics or muscarinic antagonists to treat or prevent Parkinson disease. Now, etiology: heredity, encephalitis, infection in response to brain trauma, tumors, hydrocephalus, arteriosclerosis, neurotoxins such as cyanide and manganese, poisoning by carbon monoxide, pesticides, or 1-methyl 4-phenyl 1236 tetrahydropyridine, genetic predisposition, and environmental toxins, aging. Classification of anti-Parkinson disease is broadly classified into two types. First one, drug affecting brain dopaminergic system, and second one is drugs affecting brain cholinergic system. Drugs affecting on the brain dopaminergic system includes dopamine precursor levodopa, peripheral decarboxylase inhibitor carbidopa benzoxide, dopaminergic agonist bromocriptine ropinirole pramipexole, MAO-B inhibitors selegiline rasagiline, COMT inhibitors entacapone tolcapone, glutamate agonist amantadine, which is a dopamine facilitator. Second one is drug affecting brain cholinergic system, includes central anticholinergic trihexylphenidil, procyclidine, piperidine. Antihistamines includes orphanadrine, promethazine. This is the synthesis of dopamine in the peripheral part of the body and in the brain and the targets of the drug. Now the drug levodopa. Levodopa comes under a category of dopamine precursor. The molecular formula is C9H11N1 oxygen 4. IUPAC name is 2S2 amino 3,3,4 dihydroxyphenyl propanoic acid. Levodopa is standard treatment for Parkinson's disease and it is referred to as L-dopa, precursor of dopamine. Levodopa causes persons remaining dopaminergic neurons to produce and secrete more dopamine, counteracting the effects of Parkinson's disease. Pharmacodynamics MOA mode of action of levodopa. It crosses blood-brain barrier converted to dopamine by the enzyme called dopa decarboxylase. Produced dopamine is responsible for the therapeutic effectiveness of the drug in Parkinson's disease. Yes, it is used to manage Parkinson's syndrome such as tremors, stiffness, and slowness of movement. Given in combination with carbidopa, used to treat symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Preferable to keep treatment with a low dose as possible and to use a dopamine agonist instead. Reduction of response fluctuation. Side effects and adverse effects of levodopa. Side effects include dry mouth, loss of appetite, diarrhea, dizziness, confusion, constipation. Adverse effects include anorexia, nausea and vomiting, tachycardia, arrhythmia, orthostatic hypotension, mental disturbance, vivid dreams, delusions, and hallucination on a phenomena hyperkinesia. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Absorb rapidly from small bowel. However, 95% is rapidly decarboxylated in periphery. Distribution. Plasma level peak is 0.5 to 2 hours. Metabolism. Undergoes first pass metabolism. Metabolized by dopa decarboxylase enzyme in GIT and blood vessel. Excretion. Renal excretion. Plasma half-life is between 1 to 3 hours. Dose. Dose is given 300 to 600 mg per day divided 3 to 4 times daily. It is available in tablet form, internal suspension, inhalation powder, a tablet which is available in immediate release and oral disintegrating tablets. Brand name is Cinemet CR and it is manufactured by the company Mylan Accord Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Limited. Now the next drug is carbidopa. Carbidopa comes under the category of peripheral dopa decarboxylase inhibitor. The molecular formula of carbidopa is C10H14N2O4. IUPAC name is 2S334 dihydroxyphenyl 2-hydrogenyl 2-methylpropanoic acid. Pharmacodynamic of carbidopa. Carbidopa inhibits the conversion of L-dopa to dopamine in periphery. It do not inhibits the conversion of L-dopa to dopamine in the brain as they do not cross blood-brain barrier. Carbidopa is always given in combination with levodopa. It is never used alone. Why it is not used is because it acts on peripherally, and we want dopamine level in the brain, not the peripheral part of the body. Therefore, it is always used in combination with levodopa. Now the advantages of carbidopa when it is combined with levodopa. Dose of levodopa is reduced to 1/4. Less side effects, nausea, vomiting and tachycardia. On-off effect is minimized, enhanced efficacy. The on-off effect is due to the levodopa, and when it is combined with carbidopa, all the side effects of levodopa is minimized. Disadvantages is chances of dyskinesia, postural hypertension is not resolved. Means the postural hypertension which is caused due to levodopa, in when it is combined with carbidopa also, this side effect is not minimized. Side effect of carbidopa is blurred vision, dry mouth, difficulty in breathing, agitation, fatigue. Adverse effect include chest pain, granulocytosis, hypersensitivity reactions, means skin rashes, skin itching, dyskinesia, postural hypertension, etc. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Orally absorbed 64%. Distribution. Plasma protein binding is 3%. Half-life is 2 to 3 hours. Metabolism. Undergoes glucuronide conjugation and it forms alpha methyl 3,3-methoxy 4-hydroxyphenyl propanic acid, alpha methyl 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl propanic acid as their metabolites. Excretion. It undergoes renal excretion which accounts about 30%. Preparation and dose of this combination includes 10 mg carbidopa plus 100 mg levodopa, 25 mg carbidopa plus 250 mg levodopa, 25 mg benzerzide plus 100 mg of levodopa. Dose. L-dopa initially gives 100 mg 3 to 4 times daily, and to maintain it, we are giving maintenance dose of 200 mg 3 to 4 times daily. Dosage form. It is available in tablet form as sustained release tab and prolonged release tab, as well as extended release tablets. The brand name is Syndopa Cinemate, and it is manufactured by the company Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Limited. Thank you.